Thank you very much. Back to my original question. The two driving forces, I'm just going to answer, the two driving forces that I see in business are sales and marketing, right? Nothing happens without sales, and you're not going to make a sale without marketing. Amen?
Amen.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So I want to quickly just kind of, and this is kind of, I guess, the lecture part of this, I want to quickly kind of define what's marketing. You know, and in my definition of marketing would be, first of all, exactly what Rebecca was saying here, it's telling people over and over again what you have, basically find out who your target market is, what their problem is, what you have to solve that problem, and why they should come to you to solve their problem, right? The second part of it, which is a big part, which many businesses fail to really understand and try to get people to try to communicate to people, is that it's about building relationships. And we hear this, but how often do we actually use that, you know, in our marketing practices? So people, we've heard this from Dave Marketing, we've heard this from Bob Berg's The Go-Giver, we've heard this from just kind of, Brian Tracy says this all the time. Why do people buy from people? Because you've heard this before, know, like, and trust them, right? And that is really something that in marketing we really need to strive to do. And how do we do that? What I came prepared to talk about today is number one, communicating to them, you know, over and over again, but visual communication. You know, and what I mean by that is, it's not just having a logo. It's not just having a website. It's what you put into it. You know, you need that. People buy on emotion, right? Do you buy just because somebody, you know, because it's logical? Not typically. You know, logically sometimes something may make sense, but some other person really tugged at the heartstrings and got you to purchase. Yeah.